President Rodrigo Duterte.
In the last 2 months, many of these people in this room basically stands for Big Brother.
And sit beside your brother. So that you will be... Dito sa Davao, hindi talaga nangyari yan. Even during election time. It is too sumptuous mode. But must be done to help the Filipino. Up with the expenses of 2 or more children in Manila. So that we can just talk about peace in Mindanao. And it's in shambles. Threatening me. I'd be ousted.
That's the kind of opportunity they look here. Ibang mga micro-entrepreneurs.
As bata pa man mi, wala man mi banking personality.
Start with. Just listen to what...
Mr. President, kanang...
Yeah. And you are thinking of expand. You know, my lolo, I said, was...
Ang business po ay 198,000. Po, 61 na ang na-establish. Ito na po ang nagawang...
Yan lang naman ang ano namin.
Thank you everyone who attended today's event.